Hi, and welcome to Blinkbid. I'm going to show you how to utilize the currency converter feature. Let's say I'm an American production company shooting a commercial for a German client. First, I'll build the bid in US dollars. Next, I'll convert my bid to euros so I can present it to the client. During production, I can switch the job currency back to US dollars and manage my budget in a currency familiar to me. If we go to London for part of our shoot, I can convert the job to Great British pounds and record the receipts. When I wrap the job and transfer the actuals to the invoice, I can convert the invoice back to euros and submit for payment. There's dozens of other scenarios that you can manage with our new currency converter. Have a look at our currency converter knowledge base article to learn more.